Top 10 things to remember when traveling abroad. 1. Research travel requirements. Before choosing a destination, visit travel.state.gov to check travel advisories, visa requirements, and safety information. 2. Compare flights easily. Use Google Flights via Google Apps Travel to compare prices across airlines. Checking connecting flights can sometimes save you money. 3. Understand local transportation. Confirm which rideshare services operate in your destination. Some countries use Uber or Lyft, while others use options like Bolt or local rideshare apps. Also consider rail and bus systems, which are often affordable and convenient. 4. Prepare for the language. If you don't speak the local language, download translation apps such as Google Translate or DeepL to help you communicate and navigate. 5. Exchange currency before your trip. Exchange your money for local currency in advance when possible. Some banks, such as Bank of America, allow you to order foreign currency online and have it shipped to you. Check with them for requirements. 6. Know the exchange rate. If you're unsure about currency conversion, simply search Exchange Calculator on Google for free tools that give quick conversions. If you don't mind, please hit the subscribe button if this video will help you plan your next trip. 7. Use your phone's built-in converter. Certain phones, including iPhones, offer built-in conversion tools. Open the Calculator app, tap the top right icon, then select Convert to switch between currencies. 8. Bring the correct travel adapter. Different countries use different outlet types. Bring the proper plug adapter and consider a universal adapter for future trips. 9. Plan excursions ahead of time. Use trusted platforms like Viator to book tours and activities before you arrive. This can save time, money, and stress. 10. Pack smart for souvenirs. If you plan to buy souvenirs, pack a spare bag to avoid exceeding airline weight limits. Remember, you cannot bring alcohol through TSA in carry-on luggage unless it's purchased after security at the airport. Otherwise, it must go in checked baggage. Take care and keep exploring.